Union Home Minister Amit Shah met with cabinet colleagues in charge of the coal and power ministries, and amidst concerns of electricity shortage that is coming in many parts of the country because of the inadequate supply of coal. Now, the meeting was attended by senior bureaucrats as well and officials from the state-run energy conglomerate, the NTPC Limited as well. Also, Power Ministry mandates energy accounting of DISCOMs with a view to reduce electricity losses, and several states have warned of blackouts, even though the central government has assured that India has ample coal stocks to meet the demand of its power plants, seeking to allay fears of imminent blackouts in New Delhi and other cities, as has been warned by the state governments. All right, Himanshu Shekhar joins us for the very latest on this. Himanshu, take us through what exactly is happening there at the moment.
Can you repeat your question?
Himanshu, want to know the details of this meeting that has happened between the Power Minister and the Home Minister and the concerns. How are they being addressed?
Well, the concern, of course, is there on the ground because the Central Electricity Authority latest coal stock report clearly shows that out of 175 thermal power stations that are now functioning in India, they have an average coal stock holding of just 4 days. Whereas the CEA, the Central Electricity Authority mandate is that thermal power plants should have around 18 days of coal stock with them. So clearly the concern is rising, and in fact in some states there are already reports that many thermal power stations are not able to function optimally, because remember, there are thermal power plants which have only 1 day of coal stock left, and when they don't have the adequate fuel supply, that clearly is affecting their ability to produce power. And once the ability to produce power is affected, it affects the supply of power as well, in terms of the quantum of power that is then supplied by the power generating companies to the distribution companies, and through that it reaches the consumers. And that is why I think it has become a big political issue as well. Government of India is under pressure, and this is the context in which this high level meeting has held. And of course the Power Minister has briefed the Home Minister about the exact situation on the ground that exists now, the steps that are being now taken to actually increase the supply of coal to the thermal power stations. Clearly many chief ministers have written to the Union Power Ministry, and steps, we have been told, have also been initiated. There is an assessment done by the Power Ministry that by the 3rd week of October, the increase in power demand is expected to ease, and in next 10 days steps are also being initiated now to augment the supply of coal to the thermal power stations, and it is expected that by the 3rd week of October the situation would be under control. But we'll have to wait and see, because that would depend on how the plan that has now been initiated to augment the supply of coal to thermal power stations, how successful government will be, power ministry actually will be in ensuring that the thermal power stations continue to get the power that they desperately need. And I interviewed the former Power Secretary Anil Razdan a short while ago, and this is what he had to say. देश के थर्मल पावर स्टेशंस में जो कोयला संकट है, उसको बात करने के लिए मेरे साथ हैं फॉर्मर पावर सेक्रेटरी अनिल राजदान। पावर मिनिस्टर ने ये कहा है कि 4 दिन का औसतन कोयले का स्टॉक है थर्मल पावर स्टेशंस के पास आज देश में। जो सेंट्रल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अथॉरिटी है, उसके जो मैंडेट्स हैं, नॉर्मेटिव फ्रेमवर्क्स अलग हैं। 4 दिन का कोयले का स्टॉक कितनी बड़ी चिंता की बात?
4 दिन का थोड़ा अलर्ट है कि आपको कॉशन करना पड़ेगा, आपको रिप्लेनिश करना है, जल्दी से जल्दी करना है। ब्लैकआउट का शब्द तो गलत है, सरासर गलत है। ब्लैकआउट होता है कि टोटल पावर फेलियर हो जाए, जो कि ग्रिड फेलियर या इससे एसोसिएटेड होता है, कोई ग्रिड कोलैप्स होए। वो भी 10-12 साल, 8-9 साल पहले शायद हुआ था।
3 ग्रिड कोलैप्स किए थे।
हाँ, मगर ये स्थिति नहीं है लकीली। आपका थोड़ी पावर रीशेड्यूलिंग, थोड़ा आउटेजेस, लोड शेडिंग, ये सर्टनली पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है।